Okay, guys, I'm playing LOL Beans right now, so you can see that. Okay, we're going to play.
You have to get up early to catch the best fish,
Come on.
and early to prepare them too. That's what Bonefish Grill believes.
I'm just gonna play, and then I'm just gonna review to you the noises. So this is the only match I'm gonna play. So come on, move, LOL. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought, LL Bean. If you can hear this correctly, just put up your voice. Oh, LL Bean. 2, 1. His name is KFC. Is KFC. Wow. Okay, we're going up. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. No, yo. Go. Okay. We're good. Okay, we're going up, and boom, man. Here we go. Yo, come here. Come on, yo. If I can't make this ice later, you guys will pay. Okay. When this video ends, I'm just putting that little beans. Oh, hey, stop pushing me off! Oh my gosh! Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Okay. I'm in. Oh! No. Okay. Yo, if I complete this, yes. No! Wait, yo, how did I make it here? Yo, if I complete... No! If you guys enjoyed that video, just please like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Okay. Yep. See you guys later. Bye.